Hi friends, this is 5 Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M01s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset your phone Samsung Galaxy M01s. First of all, switch off your phone, long press this power button and click on power off option here and your phone will be switched off. Just wait few seconds. Now you have to use power button and volume up button together. Power button is on right side, volume up button is on left side. Just press simultaneously two buttons together and hold these two buttons for a few seconds. Press and hold these two buttons, power button and volume up button. Yes, hard reset menu has come. Here you go to select wipe data, factory data reset. Fifth option, wipe data, factory reset and confirm with power button. Here you go to select yes. For moving, use volume keys. For confirming, use power key. Now you have to use reboot system now option. First option, yes. Now your phone will be restarted and everything will be reset. Now you have to set your phone like a fresh one. Click here. Click next. Skip this for now and click next. Skip this step. Skip this step too. You can later sign in into Google account after setting up your phone. Accept terms and conditions from Google. Click on accept. Click on not now. Click on not now. Click on skip anyway. Click OK. Wait few seconds. Click next. Get recommended apps. You can sign in into Samsung account, otherwise skip it. Click on finish. And yes, everything will be finished within few seconds. Just wait. Click done. Here select language. I select English. Click continue. Click next or click skip. Yes, your phone setup is complete and you can use your phone now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.